I show you here how to draw water drops.
Let's bring in here such a little dot and above another dot. It can happen that it is a little bit smeary on the black. You can also rotate the pencil otherwise and draw so little dots, and then for the bigger ones we can draw so little circles. Here one, and here a dot, or then a little circle, and here again a dot and a circle for a little bigger one. Here we have a very large water drop. Then draw a circle and bring in some different white little stains or shadings, and one very light reflection. We can also use the black between and darken down here the area below the light reflection a little bit, or blend over the edges here between the white line and the rest of this water drop. Then I would draw some white dots